The civil claim notice alleges that SFU violated its contract with the players. Another year on the field, at least. A lawsuit filing against Simon Fraser University after the abrupt cancellation of the Red Leafs football program on April 4 calls for this. The claim and application names SFU football players Gideone Kremiler, Kimo Hio, Andrew Lirag, Ryan Barthelson and Dayton Ingenhaag as plaintiffs. Among other aid, they are seeking temporary, and permanent injunctions that require the school to restore its football program for at least the 2023 season. The filing alleges that school broke contract with players by permanently shelving football program. It was a condition of this contract that SFU would give reasonable notice Claimant Players if SFU was unable to provide a college football program for the Claimant Players play, claim states. SFU did not inform Claimant Players that there was any risk, possibility that the SFU would terminate its football program without reasonable notice, thereby depriving them of opportunity to play college football at SFU. Allegedly, the assistance sought includes an order that requires the SFU to perform the contract privately for at least 2023 compensation against SFU for breach of contract, including breach of good faith obligation to perform contract compensation against SFU for tort due to negligent misrepresentation interest under the Court Order Interest Act. Other assistance that the court considers fair and appropriate. SFU has yet to respond to the alleged allegations as of this publication. This instruction essentially helps with university accountability, Mark Bailey, president of the SFU Football Alumni Association, told Now in an April 12 interview. "I think college right now has jeopardized the future of these young people," Bailey continued. "If that's where they're going by canceling the program, it could be done in December, albeit without consultation, and at least give them full opportunity to find other places. There are 4 months to summer camp. The fields for most of these student athletes may not be offered at other institutions or at other institutions. They may not have the opportunity to move to the ground. Therefore, it is completely devastating for many different scenarios and for all the athletes involved. It was not done in a timely manner." In an interview day after program's cancellation was announced, SFU Athletic Director Theresa Hanson told Now School was exploring all ways to keep program going. Hanson said SFU's athletics department began exploring other avenues after it was determined that the conference renewal deal would not be approved after the 2024 season. "The landscape of Div2 football has changed dramatically since we joined the NCAA," she explained. "And in recent years, there have been a number of Division II football schools that have stopped.